Hello everybody! Today we're going to be doing a craft bucket tutorial. Now, first thing you want to do is make a new folder called server, okay, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, this is where all your server files will go, so it won't scatter all over. Now, you will want to download this craft bucket recommended build from dl.bukkit.org. All the links will be in the description. Now, save it as whatever you made, right? So, that's really quick. Go to wherever I made it. Okay, now let's go to our desktop where I actually made it. Here, desktop, okay? Now, I saved it as server, okay? Which, as you can see, it's right here. Nothing is in. So, you save it as an Xms1024M Java file. And then, when you go into server, your file, you should have this, okay? So, double click it. You'll get all these server items, okay? So, the next thing you want to do is press new, and the text document, okay? It'll be called start.bat, okay? Now, the thing you have to put in is this, okay? This will be in the description, okay? So, mine is 64 of it. So, you want to put times 86, okay? And then just save it. Boom! Get start.text with all that stuff. Now, instead of saving it as a text, I'll save it as a bat file. Boom! Okay, you get this, okay? Get this guy. And then with all that, okay, now you just start it up, because you cannot find this path specified, okay, so it's probably because of this in, okay, now let's save it again, let's try it, boom, get all that, okay, now right now you don't have your port up right here, okay, so you got PvP, allow flight, spawn ammo, and server IP, okay, so the server IP is made when you go on your IP, on your modem IP, okay? So example, my modem IP is 192.168.1.24254, okay? So when you enter there, okay, you'll get all this, or something more designs, or because others are different, okay? So, you want to go down, search your wireless setups, right, and then look at all of your IPs, okay? Look for your PC, which is mine, Lenovo PC, and look at your IP, okay? Then copy that IP, and then you have to port forward it, which is different. Later I'll be telling you about that. So, go into your server, and start.bat, and go into your server properties, and put in your server IP. Okay, but this is just your modded one behind, so let's do like A, right? A and then exclamation mark or something. Okay. So, save that really quick, right? And you got your server.properties down. And it should run smoothly. I'll start making everything for you. Okay. Preparing the spawn area. Yep, it's preparing the spawn area. So while it's preparing the spawn area, if you press stop, you'll just stop the server and press any key to continue. Wait, saving the chunks that it's made, or you can just press X, right? So you will get all these files. Okay. Now, all the files, if you want to, you got your world, you got your world nether, what's in the nether, what's in the end, you got all your plugins, you put some plugins in here, you get your help, yeah, a lot of stuff, okay? So, when you press start.bat, it starts the server, okay? So, now on port forwarding settings, okay? So, let's start. For Telus, it's usually admin, the username, and tell us the password, okay? But I have changed mine, so yeah. Now we will go to your firewall, right? This is for TELUS, of course, and then go to port forwarding, or if you're on another network, at the home probably will say port forwarding or something. Okay, you will go to your port forwarding, you'll put in your starting port, which is usually for Minecraft 25565, uses that port. Put in your protocol, I have no idea what that is, and your LAN IP address, so your IP address, right, which is right here. Put it all down there. And then, once you finish, you start the server up. That should all work, right? And then once you start the server up, you just go into your Minecraft. Just log in. All your stuff. And you press multiplayer. And then your IP right here. Okay, see? Right now it's preparing the spawn area. Okay? So right here, once it's done, you can enter. Boom! You're inside your new world with no plug. Now there is a spawn radius. So, let's start opping ourselves. Okay? And when you're up, you don't have to spawn. So, boom! You have free range, and that's your server. So, when other people connect, yeah, I'll put in some FAQs at the bottom. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. And that's how you make a server.